Okay, hello guys. This is another update to the game. Lots of things have been added. I finished the first stage of the game, so I'm gonna show you the additions and the update to the code first, and then I'm gonna show you the whole stage. Okay, so here we go. So first thing, I put everything on folders. So you'll find that this is the basic class and other. I put some other creatures in there. Now, the action class is actually a special sprite or creature that will be used to send actions to the game. Okay, for example, a stage is finished or a game over, or for example, load another stage or something like that. Basic creature, you already know that. The boxer class, you already know it. Okay, I made some modification to that. You might need to check it out if you want to update the code. The gate is a special creature that is actually a gate. Okay, so it has the ability to stop and enable you from getting into and out of places. Okay, um, yeah. Um, our here class has been modified a little bit. I added a few features. I'm gonna show it to you during the gameplay. The info is used to display some kind of information to the player. Okay. The on-off switch. It's like a switch that could control the gate to open or close it, and the smoke is a special sprite that will be used, or special creature that will be used to give smoking effect. Okay, the bin is the binary directory. It contains the debug folder with the audio. Obviously the audio contains everything, all the sound effects. Okay, the images will contain all the sprite images. Okay, not only these available. If you open the directory, you'll find all of them, and the maps. Yeah, so here the maps folder will contain our only stage here. Okay, now if we go to enemies, we now have a monkey enemy, and this one's gonna jump. Monkeys jump, and we have our standard persistent enemy. I created spiders and the standard stupid enemy. Okay, the windows, I placed them into the GUI folder. Yeah, and I updated the general operations module. I added the welcome screen rendering that will allow you to select one of the maps. I added code to load all the sprites so that the execution or the loading is much faster. Yeah, and updated rendering. Rendering the map and rendering the user if you want to check the code. There's lots of things there. Okay, the map class is being updated as well. Uh, and I added some music into that as well, and the status is being updated. Yeah. Okay, as for weapons, not much change have been done. Okay, now let's get to the others folder. I created here I created the music using Linux Multimedia Studio. It's a free software that allows you to compose your own music. I'm not good at that, but anyway, you will hear the music and give your feedback. Something about the game design, text file I wrote, the icon for the game, and my one of my tools, which is Microsoft Word, which I use when trying to design something for the game. Okay, so I created these big shapes. They are not exactly being used, but later on I changed the size, and it's just like a tool. Anyway, so I guess that will be enough for you to to know about the project, and I guess now you can see the game in action. Okay, so I can stop that. Okay, so here you can see that I added this title screen, and you can select from the available maps. Right now we have only one map. You can create a map using the editor and put it in the folder, and everything will go well. Okay. A couple of things you'll note here is that first, the water is semi-transparent. You can see the information or the info creature. When you collide with it, it's gonna give you some kind of message, as you can see here. Okay, this is another information box, and these are the monkeys. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why, but I thought making the first stage something in the jungle, and I hope the music would reflect that, but again, I'm not a composer, not good at this. Okay, so one of the things I added here is that when your character is in water, it won't stay alive for a very long time, because I added an air supply meter. There you go. You can see that the air supply is decreasing over time. Oops, I forgot to change the location of the window. Okay, sorry. Okay, there we go. And as soon as your character emerges out of water, it will get a breath and no problem. Okay. So these are trees that you are supposed to climb on. You'll find there's something on the trees. Right now you cannot climb the tree because you don't have gloves. So what you do, you need to get these. I am having a little bit of a glitch with sound. The thing that you heard just a few seconds ago. Yeah, I have to figure how to solve this issue. And here I got the gloves. Okay, you can see them. Where is it? Okay, there we go. So these are the gloves. The things that you'll get will appear here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And now. Okay. My problem is that during recording I cannot figure out where the recording window is, so that's why. Okay. So now you can see. Now you can stand on these branches, or let's say some kind of tree platform. Okay. And you can go up there, and here we're gonna make a jump. There we go. Okay, so you want to go to the highest possible location. At this location you must be careful, don't fall here. It's not that the fall will kill you, but you'll have to repeat a large part of the stage. Okay, and here you are going to get the shoe. And as you can see, you are now much faster, and you can continue with the game without getting the shoe, but you are gonna stop because there is a lake that you cannot pass without jumping it, and in order to jump that lake you need to be very fast. Anyway, okay, so this lake, if you're not fast enough, you will fall into the water and you won't be able to cross to the other side. That's why you need to get the shoe. And here we are gonna see our spider friends. By the way, the transparency trick is simple. You must set the alpha value for a sprite or any image into a value less than 1, and this will make it semi-transparent. And here we get into the ancient tower. The audio glitch again. So click on the switch and it opens the door. Okay, so basically this is all that is to the first stage. Okay, I'll be working on the second stage. I'll be adding a few other features and stuff like that, but it's not easy to get ideas. I'm also doing all the work, doing all the graphics, and also doing all the music, so usually this is not how things work, but yeah, I have to do everything myself, so it takes a lot of time. In addition, I have to finish things related to my study. I have to finish work related to stuff, so I'm not being able to work a lot on it. Yeah. Yeah. One thing you might notice, or you might want to keep in mind, is that the graphics that appear on the screen is not as good as the graphics in the game, because the recording software is not good enough. So everything looks a little bit distorted. Yep. Yeah. So that's all about the game. You can check the website in order to download the source code if you want to modify the game and see what you can do, or you can I will also put the first stage code and in a separate download as well, so if you just want to see the game and play it a little bit, you will find it there as well. Okay, thank you, and have a nice day.